You know, God has given so many promises in the Bible that most of the time we are still speaking about these promises. You know, every time that we exhort Malachi 3:10, God will open up the gates of heaven, that He will pour out more blessings. So that is a promise, if you will give. But that promise is already coming true. That promise doesn't remain as a promise. It is true that the gates of heaven is now open. That if you give, then you will also receive. That is true today. It was given as a promise before, but it is coming true right now. You know, the comfort of God is really not something that is private, that is exclusive. Just like our salvation. Now, while I am born again, my salvation is personal. It is between me and God, but it is not exclusive. It is not for me alone. No? It is for everybody. And like Nehemiah, no, his relationship with God built that passion in him to go back to Jerusalem and rebuild the wall, whatever it takes. I have to go back to Jerusalem and rebuild the wall. And that is his conviction, and that is his passion. And you know, maybe some of us, there are passions that we can see. We can even see right now. Oh, I can say of our good sister Bree. No? I believe she has a very great passion to worship the Lord. No? Nobody in this place dances like her. You know, if you are new in this place and you will be sitting right beside Sister Bree, and she will be dancing that way, most probably you will be annoyed. Because she dances differently, you know. But that is her passion. When we start to have passions for God, it is when we tell ourselves, I will dance no matter what. I will dance to the Lord, no matter what. No matter what you think, no matter what you see, I will dance.